Hi, this is Dan Fleming from DansMark Software Solutions. This is a demo of a new program that I'm working on right now called the new Millenium Railing. Basically, this program is going to be able to do any type of railing that you need. Flat, slope, stair, arced slope, and arced stair. Double arc stair, double arc sloped. Basically, any way that you need it, the program is going to be able to do it. You'll be able to draw your railings at any degree that you need to. You can go to left, right, with a positive or negative value for the rise. We'll draw it either upward or downward. Negative values draw down, positive values draw upward. You can do any combination of flat, sloped, stair, and arced that you want to do. Also, when you draw basically to you, from you, or continuously straight, it'll use match lines anytime you turn a corner to keep track of what railings go where. It's also going to do a full bill of material with title blocks. You'll be able to do your set up your drawings with your layers and your colors and your line types, your title blocks, your dim styles, with your text styles. Basically, it's going to be your drawings drawn your way. I'll have facilities in this so you can draw 2-line, 3-line, 4-line, multi-horizontal. I'm thinking about it right now, but I'm not sure that I'm going to do it in this particular version, to do any type of angled interior boundary railing. In other words, if you got glass or pickets or cable or any like mesh or wire mesh or whatever that you use for the boundaries between the post and the top rail, you'll be able to do anything you want to with it. Also, you'll be able to like a picket rail, just for instance, if you come 6 inches down from the top rail, your top rail is at 42 inches to the top of it. Your picket rail top of that is 6 inches below the top rail, and you need to put a couple of circles in there. Let's say you need 2 or 3 circles. Let's say they're half-inch diameter or thickness pieces of flat bar, something like that, in a circle or a square or triangle or a star pattern or whatever it is that you want. You'll be able to do it with this program. This is basically a preliminary video to let people know where I'm at on the program and kind of like how it works. It's amazing so far. I'm going to pan over just a little bit and we're going to do this particular railing right here. And as you can see, it's got flat, arced, and stairs and sloped railings in different arrangements, and they're going away from you and to different, turning corners at different degrees. And you can turn your corners at any degrees that you want to. It'll keep track of everything for you. Every time you turn a corner, it'll put match lines there to help you arrange your drawings as you need them. Once you get through, you'll be able to do shop drawings just by picking the elevation drawings or the erection drawings. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to pick the lines that we have drawn to do the erection or elevation drawings, and then we're going to come back and do the shop drawings from the elevation or erection drawings. Also, we'll be able to do submittals. I'm going to put in a submittal designer so that basically you can do all your submittals, enter them into the program, and they will automatically update to the current design that's being drawn. You'll be able to have an unlimited amount of different railing designs. You can do all your cable railings, your glass railings, your picket railings, your tube railings, whether they be multi-horizontal or vertical. You'll be able to put them in between the post or inside or outside with grab rails and wall rails that'll match the designs that you're doing. Also, you'll be able to have a whole wall rail designing system. In other words, if you're doing a stairwell and you want to do the wall rails all the way around the walls for this thing from top to bottom, you'll be able to do that too. And all the shop drawings, a complete bill of materials, and all the bill of materials will be not only inside the drawings and title blocks, but also make an Excel spreadsheet for all the different parts and part numbers and lengths for the parts that are being used in the drawings. You'll also be able to put in your part numbers, your part lengths, your part weights. Everything will be completely customizable in this program. We're going to go ahead and do this flat railing system right here. Now I'm going to also put in a designer so that you can draw the flat lines like I have right now, and it'll do the plan views, and it'll also do the erection or elevation drawings right off of the plan views if you want to. So as you're doing the plan views, you'll be able to tell the plan view designer any trigonometric value you need for your type of railing that you're doing, whether it be arced, flat, stair, or sloped. You'll be able to use any trigonometric value to be able to calculate your slope of your stair, or your arc sloped, or your arc stair. Flat railings, just draw flat. Everything in this, you can use any type of postage, any type of picket, any type of glass and cable railings, all the parts, all the different fastening systems, the different wall fastening systems. There'll be at least 3 or 4 different types that you'll be able to pick from. Also, you can put in your custom system that you use to fasten railings to the walls. Fastening to the floors, or to a stair, or a stringer, or concrete, or whatever it is that you're mounting your railings to. You'll be able to do base plates in any size that you want, any hole configuration. You'll be able to do face-mounted base plates. You'll be able to do core drilled. You'll also be able to do a stub mounted. In other words, you core drill, put some type of a plug down into the concrete, and you come back and fasten your railing to it. You'll also be able to do that. There'll be a designer in there, so you can basically put in your custom mounting system in it. Let's go ahead and draw this bottom railing right quick. We're going to do an E or an erection drawing. We're going to do a flat. You can either pick a distance or you can enter a distance. We're going to do a pick, and then we're going to start them out at that point. So vertically, that's where they're going to be drawn. And then we're going to either go left or right. We're going to go right for this particular one, and we're not going to put any dimensions on it, and we're going to do another one. Well, this is going to be continuous, so we're going to type in C. If it was towards you or from you, you would type in either T or an F. We're going to type in C for continuous. It will be an arced, and we'll put in a 12-inch rise for the arced railing, and it's done. We'll do another one. Continue, flat. Another. We'll go from you, and we'll do a flat. And notice it asks you to pick another point. So we're going to pick a point just a little ways away from that one. It finds the vertical height that it needs to be at, and then draws the railing in there and puts the match lines in there for you. We'll do another one, continued, with a stair, and we're going to go positive, and then we're going to do another one. We're going to go towards you, and we're going to do a flat, and we're going to pick a point. We're going to do another one. We're going to continue. There's another stair, and this one we'll do a negative value. Let's do another one. Towards me again. We're going to do a flat. We're going to pick a point, and they align. It puts in the match lines. Another one. Continue, slope. and we'll go minus 12 inches, so it draws it downward. Negative goes down, positive goes up. Another one, continue, flat. Another, continue, stair. This time we'll go downward with a negative value. Let's do another one. We're going to go towards you, and this will be flat. Now we're going to pick a point because we've turned a corner. Another, continue, stair. This time we're going to go up, so that's a positive value. Let's do another, continue, flat. Another, from you, and this one's going to be sloped, and we're going to put in a positive number, pick a point, and it put the match lines in there. We're going to do another, continue, flat, and we're done. Now we could do this one to the left exactly the same way. It has basically done all of our plan views for us, all of our elevation or erection drawings for us, and we could also have dimensions on there. If we chose to put dimensions on there, it would have dimensioned all of our posts for us, plus the total length and everything. Also the horizontal, the vertical height of the railings and all that stuff. But the X data for what that railing is inside these railings. Now these railings are blocks, okay? So we're going to move this whole system, and we'll just move it up a little ways. Let me find my ortho, and we'll come up and take a look. Let's regen, and we'll come and take a look and notice that all of our posts and our pickets and everything, they align perfectly. So we'll just do undo right quick and move that back to where it was at. And now we're going to zoom out just a little ways, and we're going to do the shop drawings for all those. Now with shop drawings you'll be able to do either single or multiples. So with multiples, basically you could do you could do it in sets. We're going to do a multiple, and we'll do this multiple first, and we'll pick that point. Or we could do them all at the same time. We're going to do a shop, a multiple, and then we'll do these two. We'll do a single, multiple, and then we'll do these two. So on and so forth, all the way through. Shop, multiple, and we'll do all of these, just for instance. And then let's go ahead and do another one. Shop, multiple. Pick the wrong thing. Shop, multiple. Come up here and do those. And then shop, multiple, and we can do the last two. Or if you wanted to, we could do shop, multiple, and pick everything at one time, place it right there, and it would align all of our drawings for us. So it's very easily to do the shop drawings from the erection drawings. You could also put those erection drawings together to show how your product's going to go on different drawings. Maybe you need plan views and elevations. Maybe you only need elevations. So you'll be able to do either elevations by themselves, plan views by themselves, a combination of plan views and elevations with shop drawings with a full bill of material. Also, you'll be able to use your title blocks. You'll be able to set them up in paper space, model space. There's a title block designer that's included with this program, so that you can put in your title blocks into it, and you can put in your paper space tabs and everything, and design it your way. Once you put it in there, it's there. It becomes default. Same thing with layers and colors and line types. Once you change that with the layer, color, line type designer, it's a program I already have. I have it in my other two railing programs. Once you change it, it becomes default, and it stays like that until you change it again. So you could have your drawing, these drawings drawn your way with your title blocks, with all your dimensions, your dimension styles, your text styles, your layers, colors, and line types. As far as arranging the drawings, you can do them like I did the first time, or you do a few pieces at a time, or you can do them all at once and move them around as you need to. It will include a full bill of materials on this. You'll be able to put in your part numbers, your weights for your materials. I'm also going to put a facility in this so that when you could basically make a mechanical railing system with this also. You could put in your posts, put in your parts that would connect your post to your top rail, whatever mechanical part that might be. You're going to be using it as either blocks or drawings, or however it is that you want to do it. There'll be a designer in this so that you can put everything, all your mechanical parts in here, and you'll be able to draw these railings just like we were drawing these railings right here and right now. That quickly. You'll be able to save different data sets. In other words, you will be able to, let's say you wanted a picket railing with a 6-inch space at the top, 4-inch space at the bottom, with circles in the top, between the top picket rail and the bottom of the top railing, and you needed 3 of those in there. You could save all that data as a data set so that you can quickly come back and start out your drawing with the items that you need for your drawing, and save it in unlimited amount of data sets. Same thing like with glass railings or cable railings or whatever it is that you need. It'll be the railing solution for the new Millenium. For any questions, contact Dan at dansmark.com. That's DANSMARK.com. If you would like to add some type of system to this program, you need to let me know now. I will consider it and decide whether to put it in this release or not. Thank you for watching.